Let's look at the process for uploading documents that you've already created and have on your computer into your Google Drive. Two formats. One, you can have the Google Drive program installed on your computer that automatically backs up whole directories. Get to that later. Right now, let's work with the browser interface. You have, next to the Create button, the Upload button. It gives the option to upload an entire folder, which could be very useful, but let's right now stick with a single file. I'll do one that I actually do need to get uploaded into here. This weekend's work in government and politics, starting with presidential advertising. And as you can see over here, it's uploading. When it's finished processing, it'll show up over here. But you can access it right here, right now. Now, as it uploads, this is basically a view-only version of what is still a Word document. It has not been converted into Google Drive's format. You can click on it, but you can't edit it. This is still useful. I often use this to share a document with students and leave it in this format so it doesn't mess up the formatting. Big blue button, upper right corner, share. Hover over it and it tells you what the current status is, and by default it uploads private only to you. Click that and you get the share settings menu. First, you may share it with anyone you choose, individual or by groups. Share this with my colleague Chad Druin. It has our address books in there. You can choose to either allow them to edit it or just to view the document. On a larger scale, you can change private to public, searchable on the web, anyone you send a link to, limit it to people logged into a school account, logged into a school account with a link. I very often use this one to put it on my Google Sites account so students can download it. And when you do that, it gives you the URL here. Highlight it, copy and paste, put it in email, put it on, like I said, my Google Sites. Now, if you want to actually make this an editable document that you can use in the word processor, go back to our Drive interface, and here we found it has shown up here. Select it, more, open with, and here we option the viewer that we were just using it in, or in Google Docs itself, and this will open it in the word processor, and we can now edit it. This is particularly useful at this point if you want to work with somebody on it. Give somebody edit powers, type in their email here, and then both of you can have it open at the same time and both of you can be editing it. Very, very powerful collaboration tool. Be able to work at the same document hundreds of miles away from each other.